Hold on, let me get her attention for a second. Hey, yo, buddy. Hold on, Kate. Stop moving for a minute. Get him over here. Yeah, Dinah looking over here. Okay, hold on, still. I want to get her up here. Look. Look, little kitty. Yeah, no. Okay. What is it?
Hey, moving through the sheep. She's groaning.
Here comes Miss Kitty.
Ow! That hurts.
Alright, Mom wants her bed done. Yeah.
Hey, this girl.
I think Figaro's done. Little buddy, you done?
Yeah, well, I'm done getting my hands scratched.
Yo, man. Playtime's over. And now Miss Kitty's playing with something over there. Yes, she knocked it over.
You're going to bite me.
Cats are jerks.
No, she's not a jerk. Yes, she is.
No. See, I might be a little bee, but I ain't too mad.
She's going after Feline all the time.
Don't go after Tulane.
Hey, little man. Hey, buddy.
Wait, you're videotaping.
Yep. Hey, little man. Little buddy. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Boom, ba, da, da. What you doing, little buddy?
Hey! You want to be a
Oh.
little fart? You want to be a fart to Umami? Dinah, quit looking. Ow.
I think she's done playing.
Dinah, ow. She's scratching. Ow, she's scratching me.